Hey, what is up, y'all? It's your boy G-Man here, and he'll always be here. My coolness will always be a weight. My coolness will always be a weight. Hey, yo, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to my main channel. It's been a while since you read this title correctly. I've started a 5th channel. Hold on. Let me just sign in. Alright. But anyway, I started a 5th channel called G-ManHere Shorts. If you want to go check it out, the link will be down in the description down below. And also, I know I'm not wearing merch today because I wonder why I'm wearing my San Antonio Spurs shirt but today's February 16th. Today's my birthday. Also, I turned 23. The only birthday present I want from you guys is to subscribe and to all my other channels, all my other 5 channels. And support, and if you want to sell, I released a different type of brand of merch designs. Like all the previous ones, like the colors I mentioned have been discontinued. I have those now they got all colors. I have a 2.0 Valentine's Day shirt, which is better than the other one. But let me show you what I got so far. This isn't exactly my CMP headquarters. I'm visiting my father in Oklahoma. But see, I connected to this, where I could do all my work. I've been doing some work for the past 3 days to edit all my descriptions. I finished the other 4 channels, but I still gotta do the main one. It's gonna take forever. I feel like I am Mr. Beast who spent 2 weeks signing shirts. It would be awesome if I could do that for you guys, but I don't hand make shirts. Teesprings are my work for me. But some days I'll switch brands if I sell some other merch designs. But I'll show you where I'm talking about, like the short channel. Alright guys, this is my 5th channel. I'm pretty sure one of my #1 fan, Pantsuit, will subscribe to this. If you're watching this, here's your family and could watch. I know you guys are massive fans. And thanks for the support, and give support for this. Well guys, I'm gonna wrap up for the video. Thanks so much for watching. And I know I'm supposed to be wearing merch on every video, but as you saw in my first short video, I wasn't wearing any. Sorry. But I know it's CMP policies to wear merches on all my 5 channels. But thanks again. Wish me a happy birthday, and a birthday present is subscribe to this channel and to all my other channels. I love you all. And until next time on CMP and G-ManHere will always be here. My coolness will always be a weight. My coolness will always be a weight.